Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. How's it going? Good morning. Just a second, I have to update some settings here on NinjaTrader. I'm pretty much into this. Just a second. All right, updated the settings. Gotta make sure everything checks out properly. All right, I like this. All right. Yeah, so far so good. I'll be right back with you guys. No trade stocks, hello there. Yonix, welcome. Bear Trader, hello. Doing great, thank you. Shenanigan, welcome. It's me, hello again. It's you again, right? All right, 370. I'm kind of looking for this 370 something area. I am in a trade right now, and I'm kind of curious if everything checks out properly. Okay, it seems like everything is cool. All is good. All is good on this side. Fine. Perfect. Break all-time highs again? I don't know. I sure hope so. There is a trade that I'm holding here. I'm in a small long position on NQ. So I'm kind of hoping that finally we can approach those highs up there. If not, then no issue. We're just going to keep on continuing, you know, with the narrative. And so I'm still kind of looking for that level up there. I might gonna take some partials as we approach that 315, 317-ish area. We'll see. So Oscar, hello. Yeah, the price action so far, I would say a little bit crazy price action though. But let's have some hope. And of course, let's do some extra thing here. Let's smash that like button. All right. You know what to do. Anyway, so far everything feels okay. Everything seems okay. No issues here. Let's just all smash the likes. We have 51 viewers and 10 likes. Thank you. That's a start. Well, yeah, I feel the sarcasm there, Oscar. I feel that. It's a little bit too bright outside. Okay, so London always no. Forget about it. It doesn't matter. We were referring to some good price action. But yeah. Anyway, gold, as you can see, look at that. We went all the way to 42. Wow. Wow. Actually, we talked about this situation earlier in London session. Like, if there would be a fair value gap somewhere here to use as a pullback, like this would have been a nice long position. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, I know. But like go all the way up to the 40. Wow, this would have been a nice trade. That was valid. And now it feels like we're just pushing to 47.50. Otherwise, it's kind of crazy what's going on here. Anyway, here's a trade that I'm in. Let's see, yeah, 5-minute time frame. And yeah, kind of looking for a, what is that level up there? Yeah, 5-minute supply zone. 5-minute supply zone. RTS, hello. I have been holding an NQ short since 300. Should I exit this short? I can't give you financial advice on this one, man. I wish I could. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I know it could still go lower, because obviously if there's a risk off situation in the markets, like NQ can just sell off like crazy. So it's possible, but it depends on your strategy. It depends on your levels, what you're looking for. I'd like to see this one go up to that 5-minute zone, at least to test the weave up there. If it's not going to go, I'm going to take the loss. That's it. I'm okay by taking the loss. I'm not going to make a problem of that. Hey, Farhad, welcome back. Good to see you. Yeah, David is saying take the profit and enter again. I'm not sure what to say. I wish I could. It's just, you know, 16 likes. You know, this is the prime time in New York session that we need to push this stream. So we need to get it above 30 in the next 5 to 10 minutes. The likes. Thank you. Yeah, so you can enter, I mean, you can exit and re-enter again if you feel like it. If it starts to drop. But obviously, I don't know your risk management style. So that's why it's just, it's difficult. So far, it seems like we are going higher. This is a 5-minute chart. Whatever you decide, don't let it run into drawdown. That's also good advice, though. Tom is right. Zone 3 to 330 could be rejected. I'm not saying it will be rejected, but just let's take a look at the levels here, and let's look for some zones or whatever. I mean, do we have a zone here? No. I mean, no supply or demand zone. Nothing here. The first would be up here. Actually, this one. Those two candles, those are looking juicy. I do like that. Especially because we have the weave up here. So this is really cool here. I like it. Now, are we going to go for the supply zone? I'm not sure. That's okay for now. All right, RTS. Well, hey, 350. Come on, man. That's amazing. Congratulations for that. Congratulations. That's how it's done. Beautiful. So far, so good. Funding ticks refunded 1.1k. Wow. At least, I mean, those were the initial cost of your accounts. If it was, that's good. That's really good, man. At least they did that. That's nice. All right. That's good news. Extremely good news. Good morning, Van Alvan. Hello there. Good to see you. All right. Doing good with the likes. 27 already. Can we go to 40? This is I'm gonna do this from now on, you know. Don't worry, I'm not. Anyway, the VWAP is at 325-ish. How about I'm gonna put a partial profit at 325-ish area. 325. Let's do a partial profit here, like, I don't know. No, I can't because I can't because it's 1 micro. Well, I just can't. You gotta go for the full TP. I can do a partial profit. No, I can't. I have the same position on a CFD account as well on NQ. So we'll see. Okay. Seems like we're pushing. So far, so good. That was for 2 live accounts. Oh, wow. That's good, Farhad. So your profits on your live accounts has been refunded to you. That is amazing, man. All right. That's good. That is awesome. %90 volume versus average on buys. AVG, sorry. Well, going off to 50 here. Gerald, hello. Welcome. How's it going? Welcome back. $34 likes, 100 viewers. My God, this is going to be awesome. Let's push it. So. D-Mace 007. Hello. How's it going? How's your day so far? Being good trading is great. Let's go. I'm happy for you. We all in this. Let's go. What time do you go live every day? James Waterhouse, I stream 2 times every day. Actually 3. In London session, I stream from 2 a.m. Eastern Standard to around 4:30-ish a.m. So Eastern Standard Time. In my time, that's 8 a.m. by the way. So I stream the London session 2 to like 4:30. And in the New York session, I like to go with the early kill zone, which is like 7 a.m. Eastern Standard until like 8:30, 8:48, something like that. Because at 9 a.m. I'm a co-host at MyFundedFutures, MyFunded TV. So I'm spending another 90 minutes at MyFunded TV from 9 a.m. to 10:30 every day. So today, after this stream, I'll be at MyFunded TV. So did Apex Eval can allow 1 day? Yes, Van Alvan. Apex 1 day pass, Bulenox is 1 day pass, but yes, Apex is 1 day pass as well. So if you guys want 1 day pass, by the way, I know it's a little bit more pricier, but the MyFundedFutures Pro account has also the 1 day pass add-on, which is free. But yeah, Apex 1 day pass. Okay. Bit of a pullback, but it's fine. Nothing special. Yeah, we have 34 likes. Can we push it to 50, everybody? Only 16 more to go. Thank you. Yeah, it could be a bit of a pullback here. Which is actually fine, by the way. I have no problem with that as long as we can hold this area here. My stop loss is way below there, but like, yeah. Because there's no liquidity here on the left that can be swept, so I just like to see this one go higher, even if it goes like down to below 200, taking up more orders, you know. Smash it. So far, here's the trade. And it's a little bit cold here. I'm gonna put on a shirt or something. Just a second. Okay. Smash the like. I'll be right back. Okay, don't worry. I'm here. I'm here. I got a shirt. I got the best shirt. Good morning there. Forex Mitch, hello. Just a second. I need to make sure that I have the right shirt on. Okay. Good morning, good morning. All right, I'm here. It was a little bit cold here. ES touched VWAP, maybe moved on. For ES, let's check it. Good evening, Shrish, hello. Let's look at, oh, that's gold. This is ES. So, but that was like a little bit earlier. I feel like it could go higher. The not so good news is that there's nothing up there for ES, so maybe on the higher time frame. I mean, we still have the gap, which is kind of crazy. I know everybody wants it to go up there. I know. That's what the market want. We can see you changing. Did you guys see me changing? Okay. Harshit, hello. Hey there. My worst day ever. I was only $50 away from payout. Now dying. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Camilla, jó reggelt, szia. Oh my gosh, Harshit. Come on, man. Dude. $50 away and down 2K. That's tough. From payout, you say. Oh my gosh. I know how that feels, by the way, Harshit. I'm sorry to hear that, dude. That's hard. That's like I mean, I had the same situation last year, January. I was about to request $5,000 from Apex, $5,000 from 4 accounts, I think, something like that, 4 or 5 accounts. All I needed to do is just wait for the next day and flip the account with 1 micro because it was within the rules. That's all I had to do, is just wait 1 day and request the payout. That's all. And I lost that $5,000 in 5 or 10 minutes. I made a video about it. So Totally feel you there, Harshit, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yeah, don't beat yourself up on it, by the way. The thing is, you know, the good thing, and you must remind yourself that you did it already. I mean, you actually reached that level. So it doesn't matter that $50 doesn't matter. All right. So you got to remember that you reached that level already. You made it there. Like lots of traders are struggling to make it there, even to that payout. Now you made it there. Like forget about the $50. Okay. Yeah. That's just a proof that you can make it again. And next time you will know what to do. So the last 100 is the hardest. Yes. Yes, exactly. You know why? I think it's because we are so much concentrated on that money. We're so focused on that profit. We're so focused on that money. If we could just let go the money part, right? If we could just somehow detach ourselves from the greed. Now I am in buy again. If NQ goes up 400 points, then I would recover. 400 points? We'll see. Last thing in April, I blew up all 3 XFAs at top step. Each one had approximately, oh my gosh, Michael. Oh. Yeah, exactly. Hopefully your living is not depending on it. This has to be somewhat a side business or just one stream of income, you know. You should not be depending on this. But hey, I know you will do it again. Stop just jumping in. You're chasing. I'm not chasing. I'm looking for that level up there, actually. Hey, Somal, what's up? Yeah, come back stronger. Oh, not you, the other guy. Sorry. Yeah. I mean, yeah. So Harshit, I really hope that it will go up because I'm in the long position as well. But what I mean, obviously, this is a tough position that you're in because you're okay. But maybe if I were you, and if I'm in this trade already, obviously not financial advice, but maybe take some profit. Maybe you're not going to be able to recover everything in one trade, but if you can recover a small portion of it, that's also good, you know, step by step. I think we only learn from this. It's hard. Yeah, exactly. It's hard at the moment, but that's the progress. We need to learn. Exactly. Exactly what Michael is saying. This is what's going to help you make some changes in your trading style, by the way. This is going to help a lot. I had 20 Apex, got 11 payouts. The other 9 were all past what I needed for 2K payout. Was nothing, just wait one day, and I blew all 9 accounts. Oh my gosh, Gary. Well, you and me almost the same. You lost more than me, but yeah, I totally feel you there. Exactly the same situation. So yeah, all I had to do is just wait the next day, and I blew it. Exactly, Farhad. I agree. Norbert says, opened up a short right now. Hello there. Don't worry about it, Norbert. I mean, it can easily be a loss trade. I mean, NQ can still continue to sell off because, like, I don't see anything on ES up there to go for except that huge gap, which I don't know. They might be still squeezing some long positions down there. I mean, any idea why we can't see micro silver? I don't know. Maybe some prop firms don't want intentionally for their traders to trade micro silver because it got so popular that they are not just blowing accounts, but they're having some windfall trades, and they just don't want that to happen, right? Bear Trader is just super simply living his life like win or die. Just kidding, you know? Win or die, of course. It's a setting with Apex. Uh-huh. Not all props have micro silver. Eval, no consistency. True, true, true. Okay. So Harshit, I know whatever happens, you'll make it again. So we are having 44 likes and 130 viewers, which means we should be getting above 65 likes. Can we get above 65 likes at least? That's like 20 likes, everybody. Come on. You know, one of the goals here for me is like we should make a mark for ourselves here in the early New York session on YouTube, like in this trading space. We should make a mark and we should build this. So, you know, let's go. The more likes, the more love from the prop firms for giveaway codes. Apex don't have micro silver. MyFundedFutures and Lucid lets you trade micro silver. Thank you for the info. I honestly haven't even looked into it, to be honest. This is the first information. Thank you. Thank you, Camila, for saying it. I mean, I had no idea which prop firm makes you able to trade those. Does anyone know how to change time intervals? And my chart just say save chart. Like what? Does anyone know how to change time intervals? And my chart just say time interval. I mean, depends on which platform. On TRADEIFY, I'm not so familiar. On NinjaTrader, there is a tab up there which you can just click like minutes, seconds. I can go with the seconds chart if I want to. I don't want to. On Quant Tower, it's also easy because the same tab is up there. If anyone is on stop step, still they allow? I don't know. Yeah, good question. Well, at least we know that, so that's good to know. 64 likes. Beautiful. Beautiful. 65 now. Awesome. Thank you. Look at the trades it every night. Oh, okay. That's also plus information. Camila is saving us all lots of research. Thank you. So there you go. Top Step has it. Also, DayTraders also. Thank you, Lone Wolf. Yeah. Cool. MyFundedFutures, Lucid also. And we're stuck here. It's very dangerous. Like, actually 3 micros, just 3 micros can destroy you completely. 3 micros. So it is dangerous. It is. But anyway, here we are. Oh yeah, also can make you some big bucks. That's true as well. Welcome back, Alicia. Hello there. I have been back testing silver, the first fair value gap in 5-minute time frame after the London or New York open plays out. Well, really? That's good to know. That is good to know. Let's check it. By the way, let's do a quick check on gold. I feel like that 47.50 could be still targeted. And as for zones, well, there's nothing up there. I mean, if I zoom out on the 1 hour chart, sorry, look at this whole area here. This here is a consolidation area. Now, is gold going to come back down here? I don't think so. I mean, I don't know if it's going to come all the way down there. I feel like to finish up this move, maybe that 47.50, you know, with a bit of a liquidity sweep could be tagged. What do you think? Just an idea. This could happen with gold. But on NQ, we still have the VWAP. The VWAP. Diego Alicia, yes. Don't want to go up from there. Well, we'll see. We'll see. So far, this is all we got here. Miss Q, hello. What's up? Welcome back. How's it going? And we have 75 likes and 156 viewers. That is amazing. I wonder when we're gonna go over 100 again. Until we wait. So yeah, it is interesting. That's for sure. It might just stop here, or but gold is like the problem with gold also, like there is no fair value get that we can go for, no liquidity that I like. And yeah, Trader Z, hello, or Trader ZO82, good morning. What was that gold level sweep? Oh yeah, so on gold, this is not like a sweep level, but like, this was just a random thing here actually. You know what I mean, 2 a.m. it could be a good idea to sweep that 47.20 and then go higher. You know, some London lows here should be taken out and then boom, skyrocket higher. Wouldn't be such a bad thing. We've seen worse. I would say if we go below 47.11, might go to the VWAP and lower. But for now, this is something I can imagine. I don't recommend anyone to jump into a gold trade, but we'll see. What do you think about the changed Bulenox rules? What do you mean changed Bulenox? What did they change? Shit, let me know. Did they change something? I didn't know that. Sometimes I use 1 minute charts to enter, but I like do the analysis all the way through the 5 minute and the 15 minute charts, depending, you know, depends on how the market is moving. So Bulenox changed payout rules to 10 trading days. It was always 10 trading days. As far as I remember, years ago, it was always 10 trading days. BTC major update progress. Really? Is there going to be something? Oh, you changed the name. Michal, C3, nice. Okay, so Michal. And I'm pronouncing it right, Michal. All right, cool. Yes. All right, Mikhail. Cool, cool. NQ is definitely acting out weird. I'm telling you guys, this is like, eh. Ten trading days for payouts nowadays is nuts. So many other options. You know, it depends on where you look at it, by the way. It depends on where you look at it. It was always 10 days at Bulenox. Yeah, last year my trading payouts was like not as much as some other big streamers or whatever, gurus or furus, whatever. I made $69,000 from trading. Out of that $69,000, almost $30,000 came from Bulenox. Almost $30,000 from Bulenox. And guess what? I couldn't care less that it's 10-day trading payout because I was accumulating the accounts that I was trading on. And there were like 2 accounts that I was copy trading, and I managed to make 4 payouts from 2 accounts each. So that's 8 payouts last year from Bulenox. And that was good. I mean, but obviously that's again a subjective thing, Oscar. So yeah. What time you stop trading? Usually around 11 to 12 a.m. Eastern Standard for the New York session. So I would like divide this to like 2 segments. Now the thing is, because I'm a co-host at MyFundedTV, I also try to take some trades there, which is no problem. I'm looking at London session like from 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. That's one session. The early New York session from 7 till 9. And like after 9:30 to 11. Like these are the main sessions that I'm looking for a trade. Hey, Lucas, what's happening? I'm saying is now you have top from offering 5 days. Exactly, I know. Quicker access to my payouts. That's actually again, I get it, Oscar. And you know what? Totally get it. So Take Profit Trader, for example, TRADEDAY, they have daily payouts. That's why I like Take Profit Trader too, with the daily payouts. And you're gonna fill the gap today and possibly inverse it long. It could be. Well, if that's the case, you know, that's gonna be good for Harshit. I like the idea of Take Profit Trader of shifting the profit to wallet. Yeah. So they're shifting your profits to the wallet, and so you can continue to trade. I think it wasn't filed Monday because markets were open in US. Yeah. TPT in Pro Plus is really nice. My friend got 5. Let's go. 150K in Pro Plus. That is amazing. Awesome. Yeah, but Take Profit Trader is really good. Nice. We have 83 likes. You know what's coming. The magical 100 likes. Can we get the magical 100? It's like magic. Everybody would be feeling like, oh my gosh, it's magic. Can we get it? Recovered 700. Harshit, listen. No, not advice here. So, but like recovering 700 is not a bad thing on one trade. Just saying. Latisha, hello. 1 hour bullish inversion forming. Okay, we like that. We like the idea. Now I'm copying this trade on 3 accounts. So my entry is not the same on all of these, but like I'm all right with it. But here are the trades. Hey, Rajesh, Robot, hello there. What's up, Rajesh? So I have this on Bulenox and MyFundedFutures. I have a little bit better entry on MyFundedFutures than Bulenox. All right, it's better. Can I have the link to Bulenox? Sure. It's in the chat. You see Streamlabs. Streamlabs is spamming. It's somewhere up there. I can see it. If you scroll the chat a little bit higher, it says 83% off Bulenox. There's a link there. But I can actually find it for you. Yeah, I got it. So here's the Bulenox link if you want to check it. Using Replicanto, but it's not so good. Well, I'm using Replicanto too for the time being. The thing is, there are some good ones out there, but some of them are a little bit pricier. It depends, you know. It really depends. 83% off, yes. But only for the option 1 accounts. Option 2 accounts, which are the end of day trading accounts, are only down 45%. And you have to, if you want some discount and support the channel, you can use the TOMSABO code on the option 1 accounts. Option 2 accounts, TOMSABO 2. So the number 2 have to put a number 2 after the code. But only option 1 accounts are down 83%, which are intraday. You swallow the loss. 70 is not a big deal. 70 is actually okay. That's actually fine. Actually, I'm gonna do something unorthodox on my account, on the Bully account that I'm having. I might going to move my stop on the Bully account. I haven't decided yet. I might gonna move it to like 60, 160. All right, you guys don't see it, but I moved my stop on the Bulenox account to 160. That's it. Because if it goes lower than 160, then obviously like it might go lower. I don't want it to go lower than 160. And I'm out of tea. I love accounts that have 3-day payouts. I tend to perform better, and I have pulled at least 500 payout. That's good. Funding were rapid. All the rapid accounts, yeah. 10-day impossible, yeah. Midpoint of the gap fill. Well, we'll see how far we go, you know. Giuseppe, do you have any setup on ES? Haven't really checked it, but let's look for ES. Also pushing higher. The thing is, other than we're having the gap on ES, and I haven't marked up the chart, there's not much else. We have a zone here, also the same zone as NQ up there. So I'm seeing this going higher. Obviously it can, but for entry, the setup was, there was a small gap right there. So I would say that was a good setup right there, but now it started to move, you know. I would wait for ES for now, for a pullback, which is going to pull down NQ as well, but that's not a problem. I would be waiting for a pullback for now. Hey, we have 100 likes, everybody. Thank you so much. Amazing job. Team effort. Go team. Kabir, hello. Good morning. I hope the price action is better. Well, I hope so too. Yeah, I really hope so too. To be honest, I might want to take a partial. I mean, not partial, but I might, maybe, I don't know. If it goes higher, I might want to take off the Bulenox positions there. I'm not sure. We'll see. I might take it off. I mean, the Bulenox trades. That would be good enough for me. I feel like it. These are funded accounts, so yeah. Take one of them. We should be breaking this, you know. I feel like it. Green is green, that's true. That is true. You know what? Actually, I can't complain. This is a great trade. This is a great trade. I'm just going to close as it is. All right. I took it all. You know why? Because it can pull back again to fill some gaps lower. So I took off the Bulenox trades. $300 on 2 funded accounts together, which is may not be a big money, but hey, 1 micro. So I'm all right with this. And I'm going to leave this one. That's for sure. So we're going to leave the MyFundedFutures trade to ride. And we'll see how far we go. One thing's for sure. If actually I can move my stop here. Let's move the stop. Okay, I move my stop. Let's get this back off here. Okay. It was a good trade. I was like, because I'm watching ES also, and I feel like ES is going to pull back any second. I feel like ES needs to pull back to get some more orders. And I was like, hey, I'm copy trading this on funded accounts. So I'm okay to I'm not going to do anything with those Bulenox accounts right now. It's all right. And I'm just going to walk away with that. It's all right. Trading Star is here in the flesh. Hey, what's up? How you doing, man? How you doing, Trading Star? Not break even. I would prefer to get $2 than lost. You know what? Again, this is an unorthodox day as it is, so let's just put it to break even. How about that? Hashtag for the stream. It's on break even. You guys like it? It's on break even now. Actually, if we go down from here, that's like an 80 points drop. So if we drop back down there, we can just continue. Let's go. Trading Star is going to go slow and steady. All right. Now, there is one problem here. If this would be 2 micros, I would be securing like about $75 to $80 here. But since it's 1 micro, I can't secure it. So there's one thing I can do. If we break higher than 320, I'm going to move my stop to a bit of a profit here. If we move higher. Take the money. No, I'm not gonna. Camilla keeps saying take the money. Így is miattad vettem le a Bulenoxot. Beültetted a bogalat a fülembe. All right. Hello there, Adrian. What's up? I secured $50 and I'm out. Let's go. What's up? Yeah. Well, I secured 2 other ones, so it's all right. This is gonna stay like this. It's house money. It's house money, so we don't care. And of course, it's end of day trailing account. So because it's end of day trailing now with the Bulenox, so that's also like a good thing if you have an intraday trailing account, especially if you're below the safety net. Like one thing you can do is like secure small profits, relatively smaller profits, take the base hits. In this case, because this is end of day trailing, even if it goes back to break even, no problem, because I'm not losing anything from the loss limit, right? So it's all right. Roland, I am from, thank you for joining us, first of all. Thanks for being here in the stream. I am from Hungary, Europe, center of Europe, almost center, basically, but yeah. I made the call. So, yeah, Hungarian. What's up, Gypsmith? Oh, Gypsmith, hey, I checked my messages late night on, actually, I'm going to reply to you on X. I forgot to reply to you. I'm just going to say, hey, on X to you. Thank you for messaging me. And thank you for the kind words. Actually, that's the minimum. What I have so many message requests. I found yours. Accept. Hey, thank you. Thank you for the kind words, Gypsmith. All right. Let's go. It was a good trade. What is up with my OBS here? It's kind of way behind. Yes, I'm live now. I live here. Sorry, I live here. I live here. Not now. I live like I always lived here in Hungary. Born and raised in Hungary. Original Hungarian. For the giveaway on the Eval account. Don't worry, Adrian. There's going to be more giveaways this week, so stay tuned in the New York session. I have to prepare it. Maybe tomorrow. Wink. Tomorrow, New York session. Stay tuned. Tomorrow, New York session. Stay tuned. All right. I stream from here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Or as in Hungarians are saying, Ria, Hungaria. That was a bit of an accent there. Anyway, Let's see. We are having 110 likes. That is amazing. Can we push it a little bit higher? Come on, everybody. A little bit more likes. How about that? I heard Slay Tuna. Almost. All right, let's see. I would not be surprised. I think so. Anyway, I did the right thing by taking it off around here, and now let's just see where this one's gonna go. Hungary say, yeah, you must play Kingdom Come Deliverance, best game ever made. I think, yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, may I ask, just to make it clear, Tom, is it valid supply zone micro NQ at 350? I think it's going to be valid. 350. Supply, you say. 350 on the 5-minute time frame. No, it's not. This is not. The reason why it's not, because this is a bearish candle at 350. So this candle right there, this is a bearish candle. If this would be a bullish candle, that would be a valid zone. But because this is a bearish one, so the final candle is actually bearish, it's not. But we can check it on the 1 minute. Let's check it on the 1 minute. Okay, there's nothing there. Nothing. Yeah, there's nothing there. It has to be a bullish candle in this case. Once, yeah, if this one would turn out to be a supply zone, this candle needs to be a bullish one. But it's not. So next time maybe. Clear. Nice, nice. Awesome. I really want to grab one more. Let's go, Adrian. Grab one more. The Rapid account and the Pro accounts are on sale. And my code also works. So it's not just code YouTube, but my code also works there to get the Rapid and the Pro accounts. So 20% off Rapid, 30% off Pro, and if you're brand new, if you're a new customer with MyFundedFutures, 50% off from your first month from Pro only. I think it's Pro only. Coach Fred, good morning, Yoda Gut. JC Trace, just for me, thank you. Yeah, that's a 50K account. Yeah. It's a 50K account. 25,100 valid for today. 100. I mean, it is like valid. I mean, I don't see a zone there, but like, yeah, technically, I mean, if you're asking if we're gonna go back down there, maybe, but I don't want it to go back there. First, I want it to go to the WeBop or higher. Final target would be that zone up there. Boom. Master Trader. Finally. Finally, we have Master Trader here. Hello. America is rooted in Hungarian king's name, stems from the idea that Americo Vespucci, the Italian explorer from whom the continent is named, was named after Saint Emeric of Hungary. Oh, really? Oh my gosh. That's why we love the US so much. What's up, Captain Price? Hello. Yeah, this is a 50K account, Yusura. So Yusra, not Yusura. Good morning, Master Trader. Finally. Hello. Welcome to the stream. By the way, I have the same trade on FTMO as well. On the CFD account. But don't worry. It's fine. Maybe I should have taken some partials here. "44th Ex-Punisher, 80 of their name, is here." Hey there. What's up? Welcome. We are having 120 likes. This is amazing. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for the support. We are doing good. But this trade, bit of a pullback still. All right, NQ, you had your fun. Now please continue higher. I forgot to mention something important before I'm going slow down. You mentioned it. You're gonna slow down. Steady. Don't thank me. You definitely should not thank me. It's up to you. Yeah, look out below. I feel like, I mean, we took the other two accounts off, so practically we took partials on this trade. All right, I think we can agree that we took partials. We banked $300 on this trade already. So if this one goes to break even, we're still gonna be super happy about it, right? So CFD for gold is, yes, exactly. Is there any contract for silver? I think it's XAG USD. XAG. Let me check it in the symbol list. Exotics, metals. Here you go, silver, XAG on CFDs. Yeah, December low looks like nice on CFDs, yes. No, I didn't help you. You're helping for yourself. All right. So far, so good. Do we have any news? At 8:30 or something? Not so much, right? ADP. Oh, hold on. Are we having that? So, oh yeah. This 80. Yeah, okay. That's tentative. All right. Nothing special so far. What about tomorrow? Tomorrow will be a Trump speech at 8:30. But tomorrow, so far, quiet. Not much. Speak until 9:15. But today? Is it, maybe, is it not tomorrow? I'm not sure. Maybe today. Not sure. Is that for our demand zone that we are bouncing off of supply? On the 4 hour, let's check it. One thing's for sure, there is no demand zone down there. And by the way, you're right. Exactly. This is like it's an initial reaction from this zone, because these created the drop, boom, went up there, and now we're again, we could be a continuation lower, everybody. This could be a trap, of course. And, you know, just going down lower. So that's a good question. Extremely good question. Okay, so yes, we're bouncing off from this zone. Or I would say rejecting from this zone to the downside. So far, it seems like on the 4 hour. The only thing is that it didn't really go down that much. So we still have 1 hour and 50 minutes. So it can be a huge sell-off continuing lower. And it has to happen within 1 hour and 50 minutes. If this one's going to be a strong zone, then it has to just, you know, the sell-off needs to happen in 1 hour and 50 minutes. But Rocky Mountain, hello. What's up, Rocky Mountain traders? Hello there. We are due for a sell-off. Haven't had in a long time. Oh, really? It's because of the tariffs? Catalyst? I mean, there's two things. And by the way, good point there, Rumanga. So the thing is, the tariffs are going to take effect from the 1st of February, right? So there's still like technically 11 days, more than 1 week until then. Now, we've seen this before. Now, how many times did those tariffs actually took action? Like, you know, with approval and everything? I think so far zero times. But please correct me if I'm wrong. It only happened like 0 times. What if there's going to be some sort of agreement again between the leaders or the countries or whatever? I mean, or Trump's just going to take it back for now? What if there's going to be a positive outcome until the end of the month, and like 2 days before or 3 days before, whatever, before February 1st, there's going to be like a comment like, no tariffs for now, we come to an agreement, you know? Or Trump is just going to tweet over the weekend on the golf course like, oh, by the way, we come to an agreement with the countries. It was a good call, tremendous call. We saved billions of dollars. Thank you for your attention in this matter. Boom. The markets are... So we actually didn't see the tariffs, you know, take action so far, even from last year, from 25. So this is all like creating uncertainty in the market is what I think. But at the end, there will be some deals going on. And eventually there's going to be a tweet somewhere like, hey, by the way, and it's going to be a sideline like, hey, by the way, we come to an agreement. So whatever. But like 490 could be. How many micros would you recommend for a fresh 50K account? Been trading an account with a big cushion for a while now and forget. Well, for a fresh account, depending on your, oh my gosh, well, it's not a simple answer. Like depending on your strategy, on your account size, depending on your risk tolerance, depending on, or 50K you just said, but depending on your risk tolerance, entry model, strategy. So there's some factors. But, you know, for a and of course your experience as well, like how many payouts you had. If you haven't really had too many payouts, I would go with 1 to 2 micros, 3 micros, you know, 1, 2, 3-ish. They change things before the deadline. Yeah, that's what they used to do. Like, they just change everything before the deadline. Oh, hello there, K-Bell. Welcome back. Trump would buy NQ today, then pump tomorrow. Most likely. Yeah, if they send it lower, which is quite a possibility. And again, if you're just tuning in, just letting you guys know, I took partials up there, right at the top. So we secured $300 overall, 150 times 2. So this trade is now break even. So if it goes to break even, I'm okay. Perfectly fine. But it feels like it's going to sell off. Yeah. How much is Apex 50k PA fee now? I don't know if they do the promo. Let me check it. I think they do the promo. Yeah, evaluation discounts, one-time fee, $65 right now. So the lifetime activation fee, so there's an 80% discount on Apex. A lifetime activation fee is $65. The 150k and higher accounts now have a $125 lifetime activation fee. So if you're going with 25k, 50k, 100k accounts, you can get away with a $65 activation fee. And it's 80% off. Yeah, it's 65. But I feel like it's only until the promo ends, which is going to end, I think, on Friday or Thursday. Not sure. So somewhere around there, or sometime around there. You can put it a little bit above break even for the commission. Let's see. I don't even know how it looks currently. So my entry is 202.25. My stop is 203.25. There could be some slippage, but so far I should be getting out at break even, or should be able to get out at break even. You are welcome. So we'll see. Let's go. 124 likes. Can we get some more? Am I greedy? We need the likes. We want to get more likes, everyone. All right. Still waiting for this trade to show its hand. Is it? I mean, a sell-off can happen. So let me just put the rectangle here as well. Here's the zone that I'm looking for, actually. Now, are we going to get it? I don't know. I mean, why is it good? Because it's good. It was a strong sell-off here happening from right there, pushing it down. And now it's finally going higher. We'll see. Let's get it. Extended. Oh, wow. I just got an email from Apex. I just got an email, everybody. Extended on, oh yeah, until January 22nd, midnight. 80% off. Okay. Nice. We like that. In these situations, when it pumps spectacular. Yes. Yes. Well, I would feel like if we can get above this high here at 283, and then we could see some strong movement up to above 300 and then take out the 320. And as for gold, well, I would still keep an eye out for 47.50, at least until the market open, and you know, it could be interesting. Can you guys help me find a decent entry position? I took 35 profit by exiting my short, but then I lost every single penny of it. It is choppy. You know, if this would be the first minute to sit down to trade, now you have 1 hour and 10 minutes, so 70 minutes until the 9:30 open. You can enter a trade. Okay, not financial advice. If I would be sitting down right now to trade, I could be entering a trade with a 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio if you're looking for the same level as I am. So I would be entering into a buy, but my stop loss would be maybe down here at 130 something or 140. And that would be a relatively small position. So let's keep on waiting. Yeah, it's just wait a little bit, you know. 140. Ah, so going down there. Yeah, I mean, if it takes more liquidity, yeah, I'm going to be out from my trade, but it could be just sweeping that fair value gap lower. And depends how far it wants to go, right? Tried it with a small position. Yeah, exactly. Small positions can't hurt. But so far, so good. Thank you, everybody, by the way, for the likes. I appreciate it. It's really great. I mean, we're having 131 likes. That's amazing. Thank you so much. Yesterday, I think we managed to pull together like 160, 150 something. So this is really awesome. Thank you, everyone, for the support. Thank you. And if you would really like to give some extra support and to increase your chances of passing any evaluation account, then the best code out there to use is, of course, up there in the banner. You can see TOMSABO. You can use it for all these prop firms: Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, Apex, Bulenox, Lucid Trading, and TRADEIFY as well. If you want to get some instant funded accounts, go for it. The thing is, I appreciate it. Also, without the affiliate codes, without you guys supporting the channel, it would be harder for me to be here full-time every day. So this is because of you guys. Thank you. That was the commercial. Also, forgot to say, almost 2% higher chance to pass any evaluation account by using this code. Just saying. I genuinely think this is a start of bearish NQ. If you look at daily and weekly, this close outside of rising wedge and broke the triple rolling top. Ah, the weekly. Okay, Bell, did you see my last message? Yeah, I actually saved it. I saved it, I think. Did I save it? I think I saved it. You see this? This was you. Just saying that I'm watching. I saved this. Philcos, hello. So I saved the debate idea. Just saying that I really like the idea and I saved it. But that's not, oh, you had another, oh, I forgot that, sorry, maybe I haven't seen it, sorry then. And Trump in Switzerland tomorrow. Yeah, gold, I see gold, let's see gold. Ah, gold is going down. Yeah, I know it looks good because it's, yeah, now it's selling off. Just be careful, it could be just a liquidity sweep. Should social media trading influencers be regulated? Ooh, okay. I'm gonna save that too. I have to save that too. I have to save that too. I don't know if that's something we can talk on MyFunded TV. Here we can talk about. I have to ask the other host. There's actually a legal department about that, because if we're making a statement, a legal statement, then that is something that we have to be careful. It's not just about that, any kind of topic, political wise or whatever. If we make a legal statement, we have to be very careful. It's a hot topic for sure. By the way, I'm not against it. I'm not against it, by the way, to be honest. I'm not against it. Exactly. Something for my own stream. We should be talking about this, by the way. I think this is a topic we could be talking for like maybe an hour or 2 hours. You know what? I saved your idea. I think we should talk. We should have some good talks about this. Not now because well, I'll be here a little bit more, but then I have to be at MyFunded TV. But this would be an interesting topic. It's a hot topic, by the way. What if I would just be making a video about this on YouTube? Could be getting some comments there. Netflix earnings. Oh, yeah, that's going to happen today. Yeah. Matukar Gadarla, hello. Yeah, K-Bell. I agree with you. This topic could be going viral because everybody wanting to see. Oh my gosh, K-Bell, I think you just nailed it. That's a hot topic. Where can I see the Trump stream? I don't know. I think if you just type in to Google like Trump live, I'm not even sure that he's on today. There's one scheduled for tomorrow, a Trump speech for tomorrow, but not today. At least not that I know of. So. Yeah, sure you can. You can add as many as you like. Yeah, I have a couple. I have some time. Red folder, we will see Supreme Court opinion on tariffs 10 a.m. today. Forex Factory, yeah. 3 p.m. Okay. Okay, that's gonna be interesting. Is blowing up an account a necessary learning experience? Oh, that is a good one. Wow. You know, I have to save that too. I have to save that too. Saving it. Ooh, you have more. All right. All right. Matt Hugman, hello. Or Matt Hugman, hello there from India. My bias today. I'd like to see this one go higher, but you know, this could be a sort of a sell-off here. The 4 hour looks bearish. Just a second. Hi, sir. How to clear evaluation stage? Oh, wow. It's not a simple answer. Proper risk management. That's the key. But evaluation stage, depending on, you know, it depends on how you're progressing with trading. Are you new? Did you get any payouts yet? You know, all these things matter. If you want to clear the evaluation stage, I would suggest like in future, depending on the account size, I don't have a simple answer. Go for base hits, like 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Risk no more than $200 or $300 per trade, and that's it. Proper lots, contract sizing. So go with the micros. Hey, it's all right, K-Bell. It's perfect. You've been trading for a long time. These are really good questions. Very good questions. So absolutely excellent questions. Whoa, Lance, hello there. Thanks for joining. Just a second, I need to update something here. Hold on, I'm here. Sorry, I was just texting here. Hey, thank you so much, Marco. Oh my gosh, thank you for the support, for using the code at Take Profit Trader as well. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It seems like we're gonna get out at break even. There you go, off at break even, but it's no problem because we secured $300 on the same trade earlier, so we are absolutely good on this one. So we are great. All right, everybody, I'm gonna call it because I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly. I wish everybody a great rest of the day. If you want to peek at MyFunded TV, join us there. Macron speaking. All right, so that could be interesting. So I'll be there at 25 minutes, and tomorrow London and New York session again. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the TOMSABO code for all the prop firms, best deals and discounts, even for resets. Thank you, everyone. I love you all. God bless you all, and see you later, or if not, then tomorrow. Cheers, everybody. God bless.